Hi viewers, everyone present here. So today's chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. So, so the word trigonometry now is have derived from three meanings. Three side measure. Three gone side measure metry. That it is trigonometry. So it is basically a study related of relation between side ratios and angles of right triangle. So here you can see the right triangles. Here one thing to be noticed, the base and perpendicular are variables. It may be changed as per one's perspective. Alright, so let's go to the next point, trigonometric ratios. So here earlier the statement you see that it was relation between ratios and angle. So what are the ratios? Let's check out. In triangle PQR, I had taken triangle PQR as example. There you can see where I had take the angle R as theta. Theta is a Greek letter used to show that there is an angle starting at 0 and ending at 90 degree, 0 degree to 90 degree. So let's go ahead. Here there are 6 trigonometric ratios. You can see there sine, cos, cosec, sec, cot, and then one left is tan. So what are these ratios talking about? Types of ratios. So let's see. When side opposite by hypotenuse is in ratio, it is sine theta. Here you can see sine theta is side opposite to theta by hypotenuse, that is PQ by PR. Let's go ahead. Cos theta. Cos theta is side alternate to side hypotenuse. Side alternate by hypotenuse, that is QR by PR. Going ahead, tan theta. Tan theta is side opposite by side alternate. So here you can see tan theta is also equals to sin theta and cos theta. Why? When you will divide sin theta and cos theta, you will get PQ by QR. Why? Cos PR, denominator of sin theta, and PR, also denominator of cos theta, is common. Sin theta and cos theta denominator is common, that is the hypotenuse. So both get cancelled and the remaining is PQ by QR, that is tan theta. Hence tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. Got it? So by the right hand side you can see there's something extra, that is a common trick in trigonometry used for remembering those ratios. The trick is, I'll read this. The trick in a statement, it is quoted, Pandit Badri Prasad har bol sona chandi tol. So here these 9 words when assembled in threes, you get the figure out values. You can see there your that P sin theta equals P by H. That P indicates side opposite and H obviously hypotenuse. And whereas the letter B cos theta equals B by H, the letter B indicates side alternate and h is obviously hypotenuse. In this way, the statement Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol help you out remembering the old ratios. Why? Because if you remember the sine, cos and tan value, their all reciprocal are cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta respectively. That it is. Sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta, cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, and tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Got that it is. So going ahead, let's deal with some of the angles. So this is the next topic. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So here we'll be dealing with angles such like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So let's begin. But before that, let me have a reminder. In earlier class 9 I mean, you would have go through plotting irrational number in number line. I wish you would have at least little bit remember it. So in that plotting we used to draw a triangle by taking arcs and all. That will be help worthy for you in this situation. So cause the values are figured out in this manner. The triangles which were made while plotting the irrational number in number line have significant degree in the field of trigonometry. You can get it if you forgot any of the ratios. Then with the help of the triangles and your earlier knowledge, you can figure out the values of the ratios of triangle and trigonometry in a short of time in the 11th hour. But do better memorize the values, that is better. At least the sine value, cause if you know sine value, the remainings are available to you. So let's go. Sine 0 degree. So sine 0 degree is what? We know sine theta is equals opposite by hypotenuse. So here in the triangle you can see it is a bit blurry. Sorry, the picture I could not take proper. So here you can see the measurement of the hypotenuse is equals the measurement of the side alternative. So and the side opposite have no unit of measurement. So here you can got it that the side opposite is 0. So 0 by anything is 0. Why I told 0 by anything? The reason is side opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value let's assume as 1 and side opposite have 0 unit. So 0 by 1 obviously you know 0 by anything is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. Going ahead, sine 30 degree. Here your earlier knowledge will work on. You remember how to draw how to plot root 3 on number line. So while plotting we used to draw a triangle there. That triangle will be helping hold here. See there by the right hand side you can see the figure. So sine 30 degree. So we'll be keeping our angle at 30, our focus at 30 degree, side opposite by hypotenuse. The side opposite is 1a and hypotenuse is 2a, so it is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is half. Got it? Same as sine 45 degree. So remember root 2, how to plot root 2, the irrational number in number line. So here we get it, figure out. Side opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is root 2, side opposite is 1a, root 2a, 1a by root 2a cancel, so 1 by root 2, side 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Going ahead, sine 60 degree. Now focusing, let's come back to the root 3, the bigger triangle on the right hand side. Keeping focus on sine 60 degree, 60 degree in the triangle, we can see side opposite is root 3 and side hypotenuse is 2a, so root 3 by 2 it should be root 3a. I forgot to write it, the a there, so make it up, which it is unstable, so it is root 3 by 2. Now sine 90 degree, so here you can see the hypotenuse and the side opposite have the same measurement. Can you get it? Whereas the alternative side have no unit measurement. Got it? So sine 90 degree will be 1, cos side opposite and and hypotenuse have the same measurement, so it is 1. Sine 90 degree is 1. Now let's go to cos. Cos also you can figure out by checking out the triangles. Now for the time, let's go a bit hurry and finish up this chapter. Cos is all the vice versa of sine. What sine 0 degree is, that is cos 90 degree. Got it? You can see there, sine 0 degree the same as cos 90 degree, sine 30 degree the same as cos 60 degree. So they are just like crisscross type. So let's go to tan. Tan, earlier we know it is sine by cos. We'll divide the value of sine and cos, then we get the value of tan. That's all it is. And here one thing, let's go to the 90 degree column of the triangle. That's sine 90, cos 90, tan 90. It is not defined here. Why? Because anything divide 0 is error, it can't be, so it is not defined. So the rest 3 trigonometric ratio, then so you know it. Cosec, the reciprocal of sine. Sec, the reciprocal of cos, and cot, the reciprocal of tan. Earlier we had seen here. That's all with this topic. Let's go ahead. Now it comes to trigonometric identities. So I wish you would have remembered the Pythagoras theorem earlier, what we had learned there. This you can get a note. Hypotenuse square equals perpendicular square plus b square, what we had learned in Pythagoras theorem. See the triangle diagram there on the right bottom, triangle MNO. So there OM is the hypotenuse, NO is the perpendicular, and base is the MN. So dividing the Pythagoras theorem with the hypotenuse, we get cos square theta, the first identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 1. Why cos and sin? Since while we divide with the hypotenuse, what we get is mn by om. Mn is, we can say mn is what? The altar of theta, and om is hypotenuse. Alternate side of theta by hypotenuse is obviously cos theta. The same for sin square theta. Here NO is the side opposite to theta, and OM is the hypotenuse. So side opposite by hypotenuse is obviously sine theta. Going ahead, the second identity, we divide the Pythagoras theorem by the base mn. We get 1 plus tan square theta plus sec square theta. You can figure out by passing the video how it is. Then comes the third identity. Now again we divide the whole Pythagoras theorem by the perpendicular. So here comes the identity, cot square theta plus 1 equals cosec square theta. That's all for trigonometry. One topic I had to skip out, that will be available after HSLC of 2020 to 2021 batch. Wish it was helpful. Thank you for your patience. And any doubt regarding the chapter, you can comment me below, or any chapter, you can comment me below. Wish it was helpful. If you feel it helpful, share to a needy person. Thank you for your patience. Thank you.